Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 1979 Pontiac Trans Am. Of course, one of everybody's favorite vehicles. Featuring here a gold exterior. Of course, we have the bird and the appropriate Trans Am logos coming to the front fender there and the hood. Other than that, we do have the special wind turbine wheels. As you can see, they did a little design in the inside of the wheels featuring the Firehawk tires. Other than that, moving on to the interior now, as you can see, we have the appropriate Trans Am steering wheel with tilt column. It is an automatic on the floor. Of course, with a lot of these cars, you notice they try to do a gold on gold interior and exterior. However, they decided it's more of like a tan than anything else. Do want to mention also that you have the wonderful T-tops, which is a very popular option with the Trans Am. Other than that, you have your basic functions, such as your power windows, power locks. You have a new updated Kenwood audio system. All of your gauges are working as in play. In fact, one of my favorite things about the Trans Am is that cool little vent right underneath the glove box there. Other than that, you have the very nice cloth style bucket seats. Feels very nice too, not really hard or flat kind of seating. Moving underneath the hood now to a ZS engine block made by Pontiac, having the stock AC. Very clean, as you can see from the pictures. They painted it, the block, the nice Pontiac blue. And I do believe they changed the heads, which could concur to the reason why this car actually runs so nice, and in fact sounds so nice, unless they put a good exhaust system on it. But other than that, the last cool thing that we want to say about this car is about the documentation. As you can see right here in the pictures and in the video, there's that folder there to the side which has a brochure, little papers on the Pontiac Trans Am, but more importantly has a copy, or in fact maybe the original build sheet to the car. So yeah, if you're looking for a Trans Am that has well documentation and rides very good, looks very good. In fact, I could tell that these people right to the side want to look at this car, maybe even drive it. But as for now, we're just going to get it safely turned around and up on the lift, so please stay tuned to see the underneath.